Hi, I'm Susie Day, and I'm so thrilled to be the author of Max Kowalski, Didn't Mean It, which is nominated for the children's category of the Wales Book of the Year Awards. This is my 13th book. I worked out this morning, I've been doing this for 16 years now, and this is definitely the first time I've ever been on a Book of the Year kind of a list, so I'm absolutely thrilled to be nominated. This is very exciting. So Max Kowalski Didn't Mean It is a book for readers aged from probably about 9 and upwards. And it's about the mountains that some young people end up having to climb in their lives that maybe in a perfect world they wouldn't have to. And some of the adults that maybe put them there, but also that it's okay to ask for help. Max is the kind of kid who is always in trouble, however hard he tries. He's a proper tearaway little lad. And his dad thinks that's fantastic. He absolutely thinks that's how Max should be. But then Max's dad disappears, and Max is left to look after his 3 younger sisters all by himself. And he discovers that's actually really hard. He really wants to do it well, but it's really difficult. And he decides the safest thing for him to do is to run away, take all of them to Snowdonia, hide in his friend's cottage. And when he gets there, he discovers this legend of a dragon, a golden dragon that lives at the top of the mountain, sleeping on a lake of gold. And he thinks if you could just get up the mountain, slay the dragon, take the gold, then his whole life will be set and everything will be great. And then we'll see how it goes. This reading is from when Max first hears about the legend of the golden dragon. Cole looked up from his mug of tea, then around at the upturned faces at the table. He drew his shoulders up and back, as if drawing himself together. He stroked his beard, then he spoke, soft and deep, in that strange accent that sounded as if he came from far away and long ago. The dragon lives atop the mountain in the castle of the winds. In the day it is stone grey and sleeping, still as rock. But the dragon, like all dragons, loves treasure. Beneath the castle of the winds lies a lake of molten gold, treasure beyond price. Every night in the darkness, the dragon awakes and climbs inside its castle. It bathes in the lake of gold till every scale and wing and claw is covered in it. A Gwobr, the golden dragon, flies from its castle at sunrise. It brings the morning, blazing across the sky with bright light, rays of reflected gold, until the risen sun burns it all away. The dragon settles back upon the mountain top, stone grey, sleeping, till night falls again. Michael let the last words drift away into silence. Max felt a chill walk his spine. It was like story time with his mum again, like lions and fawns and Turkish delight. But was this even a story? Do you believe in the dragon? He asked. Tal. Do you believe in the golden dragon? Tal smiled as if he'd been waiting. He lowered his voice, glancing round carefully to be certain they weren't overheard. I don't just believe in it. I've seen it.